In today's video, I'll teach you how to stop Gemini opening when holding the power button. So whenever you press and hold the power button on Android, Gemini will appear. So if you do not want Gemini to open, what you have to do is open the settings. You can see over here settings has been opened. Scroll down, find the option for system and tap on it. Now you'll be able to see various options over here. Tap on this option gestures that you can see at second. Now after you do that, you'll be able to control the gestures. What you have to do is find this option for press and hold power button. After you do that, tap on it. Now you'll be able to see various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for hold for assistant. So what you have to do is toggle this button off. Now after you do that, your problem has been solved. Now if you press and hold the power button, you can see over here Gemini will not appear. Rather, this kind of options will appear. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you stop Gemini opening when holding the power button. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.